राष्ट्रीय स्वयंसेवक संघाचे गोव्याचे माजी प्रमुख सुभाष वेलिंगकर गुरुवारी डिचोली पोलीस स्थानकात हजर झाले. न्यायालयानं त्यांना संध्याकाळी 4 वाजता हजर राहण्याचे आदेश दिले होते. वेलिंगकर यांच्यावरती धार्मिक भावना दुखावल्याचा आरोप असून राज्यात जातीय तणाव सदृश्य परिस्थिती निर्माण झाली होती. डिचोली पोलीस स्थानकाबाहेर यावेळी मोठा पोलीस फौजफाटा तैनात करण्यात आला होता. साधारण तासभर झालेल्या या चौकशीनंतर वेलिंगकर तेथून अज्ञात स्थळी निघून गेले.
हे घरान जो स्टेटमेंट जो केल्लो आसा तो कितें गोंयचे जनतेक खबर ना अशें न्ही, सगळ्यांक जाणा. पूण सगळे कितें आसा आपले हेवे देवे आपले हिडन एजेंडा सांबाळपा खातीर फक्त वगी रावला. पूण जो कितें स्टेटमेंट केला दॅट इज अ करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट इट वॉज. आनी गोंयचे जनतेन आनी गोंयचे घराचे बरे मागपी आहा आनी तेणी सगळ्यांनी उबे रावपाची गरज आहा. आनी वेळ प्रसंग जर आयलो संपूर्ण गोंयांतल्यान सगळे स्वयंसेवक आणि सराचे जे कितें मोगी आसा ते सगळे उबे रावता. म्हणणे आसा
आमचे नेते लोक जे आसा न्ही ते ठरयतले कितें आसा जे कितें आसा सत्य आहा न्हू तें लोकांक कळकूच जाय. शेवटी हिस्ट्री दी.
पूण हे मॅटर सोमारा खातीर हे केल्या
पोस्टपोन मीन्स
एक्सपेक्ट करता
डेफिनेटली जातलेच न्ही. डेफिनेटली सत्य आहा ते उजागर जातले न्ही. मंडे डेफिनेटली रिजल्ट आहा इन द फेवर ऑफ वेलिंगकर सर.
गोवाचो साहेब भगवान परशुराम जिंदाबाद
जिंदाबाद.
ओके.
जय श्री राम. जय श्री राम.
Anticipatory bail application was concluded just now. It is kept further in another 1 week on 15th October. Aaj kita zala Honorable Justice Deshpande has said that since the accused wants to surrender, ताणे एक स्टेटमेंट दिलो आहा की तो surrender जावपा प्रयत्न करता. So since he wants to surrender, let him surrender. Today 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock he will surrender before Bicholi police station. And PIAक direct केलो आहा that he has to comply with section 35 of BNS, 35 part 4 and 6, which requires that जर accused cooperate करिना, investigation cooperate करना, तेन्ना ताका अरेस्ट करपाचे ग्राउंड्स आसतले, ना जाल्यार अरेस्ट जावचे ना. सो इफ एंड ओनली इफ अक्यूज डज नॉट कोऑपरेट, तो हायड करता, कितें तरी कन्सील करता, तेन्ना द इन्वेस्टिगेशन ऑफिसर माइट अरेस्ट. अदरवाइज it is as good as interim relief if you go to see, because he has been allowed to appear before the police station today by 4 or 5. Before that there is not going to be any arrest, and since he has made a categorical statement that he is surrendering, and surrendering is the best course for him, because if he does not surrender he would not be eligible for protection. Since he is going to surrender, then what is important is that he is coming before the authorities, whereas all this while he has been absconding.
Okay, and when is the hearing?
On 15th October is the hearing. So that time the PI or the IO, will be giving a report on what is the progress of the investigation, whether he is complying or not, whether he is joining the investigation properly or not. If he is not joining properly, then the ABA will finally be denied. If he is joining and if he is cooperating, then the ABA will be allowed. ABA is anticipatory.
Whom you have represented?
I have represented respondent number 4, intervener number 4, that is Warren Alema.
I don't think the people of Goa, Goenkar, there's any more trust or faith that we have in Goa police. It's a very strong statement that I'm making, but this is the truth. If you go to see so many days, itle this sale Goinche polisa kode eklo 75-year-old senior citizen a doru dalna. Eje kit kota. Goa police is completely incapable. Either they are incapable or they are working on the force of someone else. Whose force is Goa police working under? Today we are in such a pathetic condition. आमी गोंयकार आमचे जोरीतोर कोणान जोरीतोर कितें आड उलयले जोरीतोर आड जात जाल्यार आम खंय धांवताय. आम पयलीं पुलिसा बरें धांवताय. पुलिसा बरें जोरीतोर आम जस्टीस मेळना, मागीर आम आमगे घराचे माताय, आमगे कोर्ट ऑफ लॉचे माताय. Today the court of law is getting this person to the police station. So many days the Goa police did not want to find him. जात जाल्यार तो इजी मेळपाचो. इतलो 75-year-old मनीस खंय धांवतलो, कोण कितू पयस देखून धांवतलो. गोंयच पुलिसाक फरक पडना. They do not care about the sentiments, and it's very shocking. But at the same time, as I said earlier also, I believe in the court of law, I believe in a judicial system, And I thank the judicial system for making sure that this person comes before the law. आयज 5 देखून तेका टाइम दिला यो आनी तुझे तोंड दाखय म्हूण आनी तू सांग म्हूण तू येसली उतरां कित्या उलयला आमकां इतले कित्या दुखयला म्हूण. So everything said and done, let's just go by the law.
Today, being the 10th day, see, he had made these utterances. There are 3 statements on the first in Bicholi. It was the job of the department, that is Home Ministry, to just get him right away. And जेन्ना complaints which had come, साबार गोंयच्या लोकांनी complaint जेन्ना जिल्ले ते FIR करपाची ड्युटी आशिल्ली ते respected police स्टेशनाचे. But what said and done, it was my call, and then people came and we forced Sunita Bai, that is SP.
आज तांणी सबमिशन केलें की I will join investigation as per notice. State has said that if he is joining investigation, then there is no question of arrest. Judge also asked the question की ताका पयली जी नोटीस सर्व केल्ली ती केन्ना सर्व केल्ली काय म्हणून, आनी ती नोटीस सर्व केल्या उपरांत स्टेटान आनी कितें स्टेप्स घेतले हे प्रश्न विचारिल्ले. बेल रिजेक्ट जाल्या उपरांत अंडर 35 जे सेक्शन आसा त्या अंडर ताका नोटीसची इश्यू जाल्ली, ताजे जर नॉन कम्प्लायन्स आसा जाल्यार देन दे हॅव टू मूव the MFC to seek permission for his arrest. That state has not done, the police have not done. आणि आज जे बोललो की I will join investigation, बिचोलीम police जे इन्चार्ज ऑफिसर आशिल्ले इन्व्हेस्टिगेटिंग ऑफिसर तांणी सांगले in that case we will not arrest him. So that is why he has been asked to join investigation आज 5 सुमार बिचोले, आणि मॅटर फुडल्या विकान दवरल्या to consider it on merits. But I think with this there should not be much left in this application, because he has said he is joining investigation, which should have been done much earlier. पण खंय तरी पुलिसांनी खंय तरी लॅप्सीस दिसल्या आमकां तेजे इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन
अरेस्ट करतो अरेस्ट असो जावं
नाही. प्रश्न हो आसा की आमच्या डिमांड आशिल्लो की ही शूड बी इन्व्हेस्टिगेटेड, एंड ऑफकोर्स अरेस्ट इज वन पार्ट ऑफ गेटिंग इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन डन. नॉन कम्प्लायन्स जेन्ना नोटीस काडटा तेन्ना जे स्टेप्स घेवपाचे आसता पुलिसान, ते स्टेप्स हांगा खंय तरी पुलीस घेवपाक विसरल्या काय डेलिबरेट लॅप्सीस जाल्या, दॅट इज जस्ट क्वेश्चन वीच नीड्स टू बी आन्सर्ड. कारण 35 जेन्ना BNSS जे आसा, भारतीय न्याय संहिता ही आमची नागरीक सुरक्षा संहिता आसा, हाज्या अंडर 6 आसा क्लॉज, ते 6 अंडर तो कम्प्लाय करना, जे हांगा ताणें कम्प्लायन्स करूं नाशिल्ले, then he should have then the officer has to make a application before the court to seek his arrest. जे application हांगा स्टेटान करूं ना. So these are the grounds which goes against seeking arrest by the police. So आज जो ताणी स्वताहून जेन्ना स्टेटमेंट करता तेन्ना it is the duty of the police officer to let him join the investigation, which is as per law has been done. So that's a non म्हणजे lapses जरी पुलिसाचे आसा, here the chances of asking for arrest for interveners also were very limited, and we have done our duty. I think rest is for the state now to take charge and investigate the matter as to the reasons for such insightful statements, and whatever action as per law has to be taken.